Big money will flow to you after doing this cinnamon ritual for money. This spiritual work is very powerful. This spiritual work is for you if you desire to allow money abundance into your life. If you want to open big doors into your life, if you want prosperity to come into your life, if you have been suffering, you are living in poverty for a very long time, and you are wondering when your own riches, money, and prosperity is going to come. If you are in such a situation, you should do this. This spiritual work is not for the lazy person. It's for somebody that is spiritual, somebody that believes that God Almighty and the universe has the power to change everyone's situation around. If you have such belief, I want you to do this spiritual work right now because it is going to shock you. The result is going to shock you and it's going to work for you 150%. Okay, trust me on that. Okay, even if you don't believe me, believe in the power of God behind this ingredient that I'm going to use today. It is something you can do right now. You can do it right there in your house. You don't have to consult anybody. You just do it by yourself with your own faith. Okay, my name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. On this channel, I make spiritual videos. Okay, and people come with their testimony after trying out the spiritual work. Okay, if that sounds interesting to you, join this channel, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you press the bell so that you can always get my video every single time and so that you can watch my videos. All right, let's start this video. So now what you are going to do first is I want you to make sure you get a quiet place in your house where only you yourself will be so that you can focus 100% on this spiritual work. And you want to make sure that you take a deep breath, clear your mind of all the money problems, all the spiritual problems that you are going through. Okay, that's one thing that you have to do. Okay, and you have to have your faith that this is going to work for you. So now what you need is very simple. You need cinnamon powder. That's exactly what I've used. Okay, when I use this, I use cinnamon powder and it works for me 100%. And I pray it will work for you too if you do it the way I'm going to show you right now. Okay, and you need some piece of money. Okay, it may be a dollar, it may be naira, it may be cedis, it may be franc, it may be pound, it may be euro. Whatever currency you have out there is okay. All right, so now for those of you that don't know cinnamon, this is cinnamon. Cinnamon comes in powder, it comes in cinnamon stick, but today we are using cinnamon powder. I made a video recently about cinnamon sticks. I mean how to use that one too. You can check that videos out after watching this video. It's very powerful. Okay, so now once you get cinnamon powder, if you are wondering, maybe you don't have it right now. Most people have this in their homes. If you don't have it, you can buy it in the supermarket. You can buy it from people that sell organic products. You can buy it from spiritual shops. Okay, you can even order it online. If you have access to online shopping, you can order it from Amazon. Okay, so now once you have that, you want to make sure that you stay in your house. Make sure that your room, the doors are closed and your windows are closed. Okay, and you will grab a piece of money that you are using. Okay, make sure you grab your cinnamon, just add a little bit on it. It doesn't have to be too much. Okay, just a little is enough, right? So now you will make sure that you spread the cinnamon, spread it all around the money. Okay, spread it all around the money. So now you are going to make your intention over this. Okay, you will tell the universe, because everything is energy. You yourself that is watching this video is energy. This money is energy. The cinnamon we are using is energy, and there is a spiritual power behind it that is a mystery that makes abundance to come to you, that make open doors to come to you, that make big money to come to you, that open your path to money, that open your path to favor, blessings, and prosperity. If you know how to tap into that, then your life will be so wealthy, will be so rich in the mighty name of God. So this is how to tap into the energy. Okay, you want to make sure you hold this money in front of you, make your intention into it. You will say, I am tapping into the energy of money. I'm tapping into the energy of cinnamon powder, and I want it to bring abundance to me, because abundance of money is my birthright. Okay, and I'm a son of the soil, I'm a son of the universe, and I'm a son of God. I should never be lacking anything in my life. I am putting in a lot of effort. I am struggling. I want my struggle to be over, and I want abundance to come into my life. I want all my effort to bring abundance, big money, prosperity, favor into my life by the power in the mighty name of God and the universe. After doing this spiritual work, after doing this cinnamon spell for money, abundance of money will flow into my house. It will flow into my business. It will flow into my workplace. Please, when you do this, make sure you do this in your room, in your house, or your workplace, your own workplace. If you own a workplace, if you own a business place, okay, a business that you own, a workplace that you own, or your own room, place. Those are the places that you have to do this. Okay, you don't want to do this in a place where you are sharing with people. If it is in your own room, that's good. Your own business, please, because you are doing this to attract prosperity, money into your life. Okay, all right. So now, once you've done that prayer, now you are going to hold this money and you are going to blow this cinnamon. You blow it. Okay, you blow it in all the four corners of your room. You blow it to the right, to the first corner, to the second corner, to the fourth corner, to the third corner, like this. So as you're blowing it, you will see as you blow it, money will flow into my life. Okay, big flow of money will blow into my life, will flow into my life. Money will come to me, riches will come to me, prosperity will come to me. So the remaining cinnamon in this money, you will leave it there, and you are going to fold this money towards you. You will fold it like this. See what I'm doing? Because when you blow it, there is still going to be some cinnamon in it. You will fold it towards you. The spiritual significance of this is you are folding money to use. You are making sure money flow to you, not away from you. So after that, after folding it, you will get your pocket, your pants, okay? You will open the pocket up, and you are going to put this inside it. Like this, you put it inside the pocket. Now, if you don't have a pocket, you should have a bag. If you don't have a bag, you will have a purse or wallet, okay? So use any of that, your pants, the pocket of your pants, your purse or your wallet or your bag. You keep it in there and you leave it there for as long as you can and go about your normal business. Okay, when you are going out, make sure you go with it. When you are coming home, make sure you come home with it. Okay, leave it there and go about your normal business. You will see how your life will change for good. You will see how money is going to flow into your house, into your home, into your workplace, into your business. You will see how blessings, miracles, favors will be coming in abundance into your life, and you will never lack again. You will never beg for money again. That's the reality of this. I've done this and I've seen my life change for good. Okay, if this doesn't work, then I'm not going to tell you, but I'm telling you right now, take this message, do this spiritual work, and come back with your testimony. Once it has worked for you, please share your testimony on my channel. Let me know what your experiences are. After doing this spiritual work, let me know, maybe you have a dream, a life-changing dream about your life. Let me see what your experiences are. Leave the comment down in the comment section, okay? And as you do so, God will continue to bless you in the mighty name of God. If what I've done in this video makes sense, if it is helpful, like this video, comment, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, okay? Turn on the bell. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They will help your life, okay? If you want more spiritual help from me, join membership on my channel. You know I love you, and I'm sure you love me too. I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.